In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate eBay using Google's search tools. Navigating eBay can sometimes be a bit overwhelming with all the products available, but with this guide, you'll be an expert in no time. Let's start by opening a web browser and heading over to eBay's website. You can do this by typing eBay into your search engine or directly entering the URL www.ebay.com into the address bar. Once you're on the home page, you're greeted with a plethora of categories and items. It might be tempting to dive straight into your search for that rare baseball card or vintage piece of furniture, but I have a more refined method to help you find exactly what you need without any hassle. Next, we're going to access a feature that caters to those who enjoy a bit more specificity in their searches: the advanced search. This can be located on eBay's homepage, usually near the main search bar. Clicking on Advanced will open up a new realm of filtering possibilities for you. You're no longer limited to typing a few keywords and hoping for the best. You now have control over specific details of the products you want. Once the advanced search window is open, it's time to input the relevant details of the product you're looking for. You can specify the item specifics, price ranges, condition of the item, and even whether you want new or used products. Under the Sellers section, you have the option to input the name of a particular seller. This is especially useful if you've had a good experience with a seller before, or if you're interested in a specific store on eBay. After you've filled in all your desired criteria, click the Search button to view the tailored list of products. What makes this feature so powerful is that it uses Google's robust search capabilities to sift through eBay's extensive catalog, making it easier to find what you're exactly looking for. It saves time and helps you avoid the frustration of wading through irrelevant results. And there you have it. You've completed the search process with the help of Google's powerful tools, ensuring that your eBay shopping experience is both efficient and pleasurable. With these easy steps, you can focus on enjoying your finds rather than getting lost in an endless sea of products. I hope you found this guide useful and that it adds to a more enjoyable shopping experience on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned eBay enthusiast or just starting, these tools and methods will help streamline your searches. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.